Hello everyone, welcome to the best preparation. Let's practice a conversation. Booking a room or making a reservation. A is hotel representative and B is customer. Okay. Good morning, Hotel Reef Bed. How can I help you? I'd like to book a room, please. Certainly. When will you need the room? February 18th and 19th. Would you prefer a single or a double? I'll be traveling alone, so a single room with shower will be fine. The traveler is traveling alone, so she's preferring single room. A. Well, do you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room? Non-smoking, please. I'd appreciate it if you could give me a room facing towards the garden. Facing towards the garden to have views, okay, to enjoy views of the garden. Yes, we have a room as your preference on the 6th floor. Fine. That's okay. Fine means how much is the charge per night? It's $150 a night. How will you be paying? Okay, is Visa okay? That means Visa card, credit card, MasterCard we use, so Visa card. That'll be fine. May I have your name, please? Brinda, Nepal. Could you spell your first name? B-R-I-N-D-A. Brinda. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye. See you on 18th. Okay. And again you can see here the whole conversation. This one is the conversation we practiced. Let's practice some questions. हजुरलाई चिसो ल्याऊ कि? Offering. Shall I get you cold drinks? Shall I get you cold drinks? Okay. Commonly we say चिसो. चिसो मात्र भन्ने हाम्रो चलन छ. चिसो पेय, cold drinks. Okay. Next. चिसो मन पराउनु हुन्थ्यो कि? Would you like cold drinks? Would you like cold drinks? Okay. Next. खाजा खानु भयो? Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? Or did you have snacks? Snacks भनेको पनि खाजा हो. Okay. Now next. भात खानु भयो? Did you eat rice? Did you eat rice? Okay. Next. चिया पिउनु भयो? Did you drink tea? Did you drink tea? Next. तपाईलाई के मन पर्छ? What do you like? What do you like? Next. तपाई मासु खानुहुन्छ? Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat? Next. तपाई संगीत सुन्नुहुन्छ? Do you listen to music? Do you listen to music? Next. तपाई अंग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Next. मेरो बुवालाई चिन्नुहुन्छ? Do you know my father? Do you know my father? Next. तपाई गीत गाउनुहुन्छ? Do you sing a song? Do you sing a song? Next. तपाईले भात खानु भयो? Did you eat rice? Okay. It's very short video. You are watching the best preparation, a big platform for learning English language. Now, grammar. अहिलेसम्म गरेको प्र्याक्टिसमा के कस्तो ग्रामर प्रयोग भएको छ? यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् है। यहाँनेरि भात खानु भयो भनेको छ। यसो गर्नु भयो भन्दा did you भनेर verb 1 लगाउनु पर्छ। Did you eat rice? भात खानु भयो हुन्छ भने कलेज जानु भयो भन्दा Did you go to college? हुन्छ। अनि रामलाई देख्नु भयो भन्दा Did you see Ram? हुन्छ। अनि औषधि किन्नु भयो भन्दा Did you buy the medicine? हुन्छ। यसरी यस्तो गर्नु भयो भन्दा Did you भनेर verb 1 को प्रयोग गरिन्छ। त्यस्तै अरु क्वेशनहरु यहाँ पनि पिउनु भयो भनेकोले Did you drink tea भएको हो। अब यहाँनेरि हेर्नुहोस् खानु हुन्छ भन्दा Do you eat meat? तपाई मासु खानुहुन्छ भयो भने यसो गर्नुहुन्छ भनेर सोध्दा Do you भन्ने verb 1 लगाउने। तपाई काम गर्न जानुहुन्छ भन्दा Do you go to work? काम गर्न जानुहुन्छ। अनि तपाई फुटबल खेल्नुहुन्छ Do you play football? अनि तपाई मलाई चिन्नुहुन्छ Do you know me? त्यस्तै तपाई जापानिज बुझ्नुहुन्छ Do you understand Japanese? यसरी यसो गर्नुहुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ डु यु प्लस भर्ब 1, यसो गर्नुभयो त भन्दा चाहिँ डिड यु प्लस भर्ब 1 को प्रयोग हुँदो रहेछ। यो नै आजको अभ्यास हो र हजुरले यो भिडियो शेयर गर्न र कस्तो लाग्यो कमेन्ट गर्न पनि नभुल्नुहोला। Thank you very much for watching it. See you next time. Bye bye.